Finals time, boys. Finals time. Where's the remote? The converter. Stream start late, but Jano. What a goal that would have been from the Young and Messi. Come on, my side, we can do this. I should mute this one. I'm mute for a while. Okay. I hope the thing isn't bleeding over the TV noise. Let me check. Yeah, it's kind of there. Let me turn down a little. Okay, okay. That seems like it's working. Go my side. Let's take the cut in and take the shot. Take the shot, please. No, him drag it wide. Nice try, but good try, youth. Even Messi has a good try. They almost the long time, brother. Cut in, take the shot. I'm drag it wide. Um, yeah, he should have. But we move, we move. Is a link in the description? I don't know, but okay, let's go. Ah, let's go my side. I have on a hoodie because my hair is in a state right now. Come on. Ball from Messi to Alba. You want Messi have a pass, let me know. Pedri, what you do now? Nobody? Mmm. That's not a card though. That's not a card. Two of them are going for the ball. Calm down yourself. Mmm. I can't show the match on stream or else I'll get copyright on my channel probably get taken down. Let's go my side. I hope that thing isn't coming through, you know. Yeah, I have to. Welcome to the stream. If you're here, we're watching Barcelona versus Athletic Bilbao? No, Athletic Club. Athletic Club. Copa del Rey final. Can we win a trophy in our season what look like we never go win nothing at all? Come on, Junior Des. We need our early goal for calm down things. Cut him on a ah, no beard as well. Oh, look at this pass to Griezmann, and then Griezmann hold it up, ball back. Mm. Let's go my side. Him look like him come for play. Messi look like him come for play today. No, this. Not, no, that was Messi. Mingueza. Gerard Piqué is also back. And him just make a foul, as me call him name. Let's go my side. Let's go. You know, I'm stupid sometimes. I hope this does not score. Oh, that voice cracked though. No goal. Get it out. Come on. They almost score. Brother, what kind of diff that was offside? No? No? Them almost score. Them almost score. Let's go my side. See him on the right. Not him, but it worked. There's no there's no one there. Let's go my side. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Pedro, we need a good game from you today. You never played that amazing in the Classical. Neither did this. Them need to step up. Him love this thread back formation. See if it'll go work. Ball. De Jong has been so good recently. Messi gone more over to the left. There he is, Messi. Nah. Te- At least we have to keep the ball. Nice. Win back the ball. Good job, Longley. Good job. Don't do no foolishness this match, you know, and give it now. Ref? Hope him not give no unnecessary penalty or anything like that. If you're new here, welcome. Watching almost El Clasico. Copa del Rey final. Barcelona versus Athletic Club. Score prediction: Barca 2, Athletic 1. But just not enough fit now with defense. But me not say we lose. Keep that thing there. Yo, nice. Control you. See the Busquets, no? What kind of hospital ball that Minguez, huh? Messi, De Jong. Sir Junior Des. Mingue. They step on the ball like a lot, you know, this match. Messi, watch the run, ball you, cut back. Nice. That's typical Barca move. Messi find Alba on the left, Alba cut it back to Messi, goal. That's what I'm used to. But as of late, that's not been happening. Ball you. Kill that. Nice try, this. Get back now. Good one, PK. Good, nice turn, De Jong. With the run. Put it in that box. You Messi with the header. If we never let Messi score a header against you, then everybody at work. I can't see them put in the work. I like that. I like that. Mm. Man, get that man face right. Yeah, man. You feel that one. Oh, that was almost a goal. That was a good chance from them. We need to work on our defending set pieces, bro. Griezmann, when Suarez was there, Suarez was getting to those set pieces. I'm being honest. Come on, Messi. Olympiaco. Him almost scored in the Classico. Him go feet again. Oh no. Des. Okay. Calm down. Pedri, must say calm down. Oh, Pedri, how you make the man win that off of you, my G? Well, we have Ricky, you know, or Morbia. That's his name? Pedri. Okay, we have it. So, other than ball, you nice try. Get there, this. Other than them set piece, them not really attack so far. 17 minutes in. They haven't like done anything like threatening so far. But I think we have one shot on goal so far. I'm not sure. Like when I set this up real, I'm going to have like the lineup on screen and everything. I'm probably try get that for halftime. I don't know. Try get the lineup on screen, everything like that. Unless I can do something real quick. Boys are too. Okay. I'm. I shouldn't have done browser, bro. I did the wrong thing. Ignore that. Where I keep the ball, you know. Where I keep the ball. I like that. Come on, this. Busquets. No. Okay, so them first attack here now. Inaki Williams. That's his name. Yeah, I still remember my things. Yes. Display capture. Window. Okay. No, 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 no. I hope that's not showing my shit. I hope that didn't show my thing. It did. Messi. Griezmann. Nice shot. Him take the shot. I can't blame him for that. I don't want it to be windowed. Messi, Messi, oh, Jesus. Um, do I do display capture though? Wait, I can't edit this thing. Give me a minute. I'm so distracted, bro. Transform. There it is. Transform. Edit my transformation. Can't have free transform. That's it. That's it. Oh, and that's it. There we go. We have the transformation now. And now I lock this. What just happened? Is my webcam? My webcam is on the bottom. Um, webcam and transform. That should work. Alright. No. I don't know if that's working. I hope it is. Okay, let's go and score now my side. I think my stream is also the thing that I'm watching it on is also delayed a bit. Oh no, that's not working. That's not working at all. I hate OBS sometimes. Jesus, man. No. What's the point of editing the transformation? Why when I lock shit, it doesn't stay locked, bro? I don't know how to do this. Edit transformation. try pass it. Come on, man. That was good play. Mhm. Unlucky boy. Okay, I feel like we can win down here. Feel like we can do it. And just keep it up. Ter Stegen, your ball that. Big man PK back in defense. When I see the thing where Coutinho get Photoshop in the thing in the Barca squad, they took squad picture and Coutinho got Photoshop, and I think this thing is messing with me. I hate this thing so much. Wait, give me a minute. I'm still here. Let's go on my side. I'm still here. And what I need to do is like, what did I do? Uh oh. Oh, there we go. I think I messed up my thing, my OBS. Oh no, there we are. Okay. I need to like learn how to properly use OBS because this is not it. Not it at all. But let's go Barca. 53. Easy. I think I got the clickbait right with this one. 53. This scam. Ah, no. I'm gonna turn off that display thing. It's annoying. Go back full screen. I need to properly set that up. I have to restart the thing real quick. I'm using an Android box to watch on, so yeah, not the best. 30 minutes, still nil nil. What Twitter saying about the match? why you said that. What was that? Ref, that kind of thing, if a Jamaica, if I like place like Brazil, you're there and you make them foolish call, you know you're going to a problem after the match. Ref, thank you. Ref, him kick with the ball. I'm pretty sure Messi did get a yellow. Was it Messi? But I think a Barca player did get a yellow for that in a match. Come on, come on my side. We need to score before halftime. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Is any of my mods here? Are you guys hearing like music in the background? I don't know. If anyone's here and hearing music, let me know. Or if you're not hearing anything. Ref. Okay, Messi me go ask if please get up. Messi. Messi. I'm good, man. I'm good. I think my thing is 1 minute behind. Oh, no one is here in chat? Wow. I'm not going to take off this unless we like win because my hair is so. Messi upset. I love when Messi get upset because Messi I got prove something now. Easy margin time. Messi wanted that guy to get a yellow. Are you guys hearing music in the background? If you're here in chat, let me know please. Messi just got upset. Worst thing one could have asked for. The referee move like what one did one? That's not Messi. Come back on the field now. Go show him why you name Messi. %82 position, but we need a goal. I think this formation is not. It's supposed to be like good going forward, but Pedro been quiet. Look at that. Pedro just running a Messi. Take him off. Pedro need to come off. Big man Ter Stegen. That's my keeper. That was caused by Pedro running into Messi. Ah, them get back the ball. So it's my side. Why would I stand up and make them pass it like that? This is them first real attack since the match start. Get back, Des. Good job, Des. That's not a foul in a ref. That's not a foul in a ref. Good job, Des. That's a play, man. Good job. More of that. Oh. Come on, my side. We need a goal. We need a goal. Wow. I guess I need to do more of these football watch along, cause wow. sell it. Half time. Okay. I'm still here. I'm just gonna get some. Why is that guy in a general suit? Half time. Come on, Barca. We need a goal. No one this got extra time or nothing on the longest street, but yeah, we need a goal. Come on. 15 minutes break. I should go and get something but that. But yeah, Chelsea win City earlier today. I never watched that, but if Chelsea can just win Champions League, that not make my day. But yeah, I'm going to take a break as well, like how it's half time, and then get back. I'm still here. Enjoy some music. This should be copyright. Barcelona versus Athletic Bilbao, Copa del Rey final. It's halftime now. It's still here, so yeah. Halftime. Just chilling. Waiting for the match to restart. Taje is the reason why I hate Madrid. He is the reason I hate Real Madrid. Yo, this song kinda goes hard, you know. Mm. I wanna say yeah. Share, copy. Let me link this playlist in the chat, Justin. Mm. Hey, hey, the boys. Hey, 100. There we go. I don't understand what's happening, but I'm taking it. Just chilling, watching the finals. Waiting for the match to restart. It's halftime. Current score nil all. If you like the music, I link the playlist in the chat as well. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We make no changes at the half. Pedri hasn't been doing that much. Messi and Alba talking. We might see some more of them on the left. Welcome to the story, and we're watching. Del Rey final. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm playing music as well. Can you guys hear me? I don't know. But we need to improve in the second half, my side. We need to improve. Where are they played? That's a nice stadium. What stadium is this? Let me check. It's stadium Sevilla. Come on, my side. Boss, we need a goal. Why my phone is? Yeah, I need a new charger. Yo, why my friend name so bad, Vine? Hope Bilbao win. My name so bad, man. Sammy and you meta. You bad mind. Sammy and Kaji. Them make a song. Let's go, my side. We need a goal. Now all the faith. We believe. Colors. Am I hearing the helicopter? Like, there's some weird feedback on this. Okay, match starting back. I'm drop the music. Or should I keep it? If you're watching and you can hear me, is the music affecting or it doesn't matter? Or can you even hear me at all? Wait, Tarek, you know what I mean as in joining a Discord can hear you. So yeah, I get in the next Barca fan for the watch along. Um, it's only voice though, cause I don't have time for set that up.
Alright, cool.
We're still going down the right and not doing anything with it.
No, going down the left and not doing anything with it.
Oh, change side. Hmm. Although that Griezmann chance a while ago, that was
They're going to regret.
yeah, I can feel it. Regret all these chances for missing. Messi put in a decent cross for me, please.
What they need for this cross the ball and actually try to break down the defense like Barca used to do.
Cross the ball to who? Griezmann is never in the box.
And nobody else
Messi
not
I
all.
try go for goal. Yeah. Get that in a boy. Thank you.
I feel like his stream is faster than mine.
Huh?
I feel like his stream is faster than mine.
I'm on 50. My stream's slow, but it's at 50 right now.
Yeah, same. Okay.
50 minutes. Go Messi. Him just can't find the pass or the cut in. Ah. Wanna just make him man go. Thank you. Yo, say what you want to say about PK, but him sometime him can play, man.
Of course he can. I prefer PK in my defense than Langley.
Langley, the two error prone.
And he's awful this season. Messi now find it.
Pedri kind of missing this game as well.
Pedri has been missed all
Yeah,
along. Have been overhyping him.
classic comedy that prayer for them take him off. I feel
I stopped watching the classic. It's
Messi, Messi. Whoa, what if that did go through? Okay.
good try, Pedri. I take that back.
I love when them prove me wrong, cause like comedy I said earlier in the stream, Busquets have proved me wrong.
Yeah, he might be moments too, but he's
See Pedri. Okay, third. Be Pedri now? Yo, we are gonna regret them here for real, you know?
most definitely.
Look at that. Finesse that top right, man. Goal! Goal! Sorry!
That's right.
You
That's
stream faster
right.
than mine or it's slow?
Yeah, it looks like a little pass on yours.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
You will tell you what the
Busquets.
problem is right now. So the problem, and it's been the problem for Barca for the last couple of years. Every time they get near the box or in the box, they just constantly look missing.
Yup.
It's a problem and it's
Say
too
that again.
predictable.
Sometimes if I just take the shot.
And even are there other players in the box?
Exactly.
There's this part, this time early and
Get
the Griezmann had
Messi.
a pass to Pedri. And he passed to Messi instead, which never made no sense.
The referee here they on crack still, you know.
So I hate him.
Even the man knows that that wasn't a foul. Referee,
No,
you're
seriously.
on some.
Him and the one who ref the Classico.
Man, not even gonna talk about
It's
that,
funny.
Terry. Man, not even gonna. That you out there.
Hey, they say you know, say Madrid by him. You know he was not supposed to ref.
Yeah, no, it was supposed to be Hernandez. I don't remember. But him, the one that was supposed to do it either way, is him not good either. Oh, look at that
Yeah, but at
penalty.
least him not so blatant with the foolishness.
Busquets, man. Ah,
This is torture.
I'm waiting to see Morbia. That's his name.
Mariba.
The young black guy.
Yeah, Mariba.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him. Is he on the team sheet? I will even check. On the bench.
Um,
I know it's like Ramadan, and he's Muslim.
yeah, I saw Ansu Fati in
Yeah,
this.
he's there. I think Fatih is just on it for, I don't know, to celebrate or something. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm so like it.
It's been so
We
long.
need him.
Apparently, they were talking about a third surgery, and if he need a third surgery,
No, they said they don't need it anyway.
yeah, and because I'm developed some. Don't make him get nothing. Alba.
I really hope he can.
What?
Yeah, but he's on the team sheet.
Yeah, you must see him. Jesus, Jesus. By the way, who you have for champ? Who you are with Champions League?
Hey, let me tell you. Let me tell you who actually got for Champions League.
Me I say Madrid are gonna win it.
It pained me for saying this, but I'm Madrid are going to win it.
Yeah, it hurt me deep though, but I'm Madrid.
They never got it.
But I want Chelsea win.
Nah, I got him.
I know about we can't. They beat City today. We can all hope.
Yeah, but then again, City never really played that much of us.
I never watch it, but me said them
I think,
play like garbage.
but I think City really are focused on Champions League. And
Yeah,
not really win that anyway.
them not. I don't think City are gonna beat PSG.
Doubt it.
I
But
don't want
yeah, Madrid
PSG win
this
for
year.
selfish reason. Cause I don't want Neymar win a Champions League at PSG.
That too. I know PSG win a Champions League, right?
That's true. Although
No, no, no. Would I?
Neymar say I'm gonna stay at PSG cause him like them program or
Yes.
whatever. That was the rumor I heard.
Yeah, me say must stay. Me just stay.
It's not like say if him say okay, him want come a Barca like we can afford him either way. So
Exactly. Can I be honest? I didn't even want him back at Arsenal.
only yeah, okay, Messi go. Messi. Hmm. You hear how much something they did that same one, Holland?
Now, none of them have about 230 million or something like that.
That's not even his referee. How? Didn't the young just get okay? Let me see what Twitter say about the referee.
And it's a Spanish league referee are trash.
Referee
Bars.
these days just turn trash, to be honest. And I
And they're
can't
so
even
bad.
Spanish league. And how what did I say? VAR got to do something. VAR has made the game worse.
I mean, if it was being used properly, it would so bad.
True. dance. They dance. Can
Good goal. Man, that took forever. Jesus.
on side.
That took forever.
Thank you. Can can I celebrate as a Barca fan this season, please?
I'm sorry. You see, if we get this trophy for this season, I'm fine.
You know what me want? Me want something that man you for drop out of Europe so me can go rub it in a Sammy face. You have to hear me in the football group, bro. Sammy's like, yeah man, what your team are going? Nothing. We still have a trophy. Yo, Sammy, if you ever drop out of him probably block me.
I still don't understand why anybody from Europa League can be talking to us.
I don't understand.
Honestly, Barca never go Europa League.
Some they even make a joke about that. Say him have a trophy that Messi can never get. Rakitic.
Rakitic, yeah.
Okay, I feel calm now. 1-0 Barca.
I'm not done yet.
Yeah, we just need to hold it. See if him gonna make a sub.
I don't trust my defense that much. Sorry.
That's true. And them are gonna turn up the pace now.
Mm-hmm.
Pedri.
By the way, the ref killed somebody from the game.
Yeah. But he,
Oh.
but the way how him do it, Barca did have the advantage. Him stop the game and card him.
Oh. Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah.
I don't think you look at that go on like much here. And them just say you abuse of players.
Maybe that we make them play better, because honestly.
You know what? I'm really sad. I think we're going to win the league for Madrid. Cause if we be Atletico and Madrid no lose no game for the rest of the season, them win.
Yeah, we should have never lost that game.
And the way me see our fixtures are harder than Madrid right now.
Oh my gosh, Dion.
Did we score again? I have to restart my box.
Nah, them don't score, but Jesus. Goal! Dion!
Okay, I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. I'm restarting, so I'm not seeing anything right now. Wait, where are you watching? TV or stream? What stream? Total Sport?
Yeah.
Which one? Link? ESPN?
I know. BS Sports, I believe.
But if I do this, I'm not gonna have sound. I
That's a
can't
good goal.
stream the sound. And I don't think. Okay, I have to mute it though. Okay, 2-1, 2-0 up. I'll take it.
Good goals.
So, let me see it. Alba in the box. The young with the head on.
And he assisted the first one, so a good game for him.
Yo, Dion has been playing well. No joke.
He's the midfield for Barcelona right now.
Life fully. Man, I cost on the bench. Let's go, my side. Let's go. Frankie. Like, we made so much bad purchase, but Dion was a good one.
Yeah, outside everybody.
We need to get rid of Philip. I'm sad to say it, but he need for going now.
Who that?
Coutinho.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You see what them do? Them Photoshop him onto the Brazil.
I think he's there. Yeah, you're right.
I hear him did do a neck surgery in Brazil.
Yeah.
Okay, my stream a lag. Come me a live stream at the same time.
But then I play still.
Good one, my side. Box to box midfielder Dion.
I tell you.
Wait, is five sub them allowing this?
Remember Sam to fight something up.
It's still
Far
five.
from the
Yeah, where would we be without Ter Stegen?
God knows.
We are gonna make a substitution, my coach. Cause him not
No,
look like him love make subs, you know. Always some 78.
come on, Ter Stegen.
This is a good stream. This is the most playback I've ever got. Oh. I need to do watch along more often.
Yeah, actually, it would be nice.
Bah, no. I hope I don't get copyright or anything, and that would actually make me get upset. Oh, nice. Come on, my side. Come on, my side. Triple sub. Boom. Let me do.
If you notice in the two-goal scheme, you notice it started from the shift of trying to find Messi in the box.
Yup. Watch the replay.
As long as him just stop trying to find him and him alone, then we actually play back up the ball.
Exact, because people like the other team know say we are trying to find Messi. So what them are gonna do? Put like 6 man for Messi. That's what them do in the Classico. At one point about 5 man did surround Messi. So pass it to somebody else who is free.
Yeah, and he not have the pace. Whoop. Messi with three.
Carrick, you spoil it for me. Your stream name for slow down.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yo, oh my
Well,
God.
it's a good player. Messi the player now. Messi, Antela Messi, Antela Messi, Antela Messi. This stuff, you. Messi, easy. Big
boy.
side, what side, big?
That's a
Trey. Trey. that burst?
Yo, De Jong is a workhorse. You know?
I have the M4 A1 waiting. The car? Is it the car that I want to unlock? Um, live streaming. Dog, I need a new charger. 5 hours. Why is it saying 5 hours until charge? Okay, that's better. Let's go my side. We are gonna lift a trophy this season. We thought it was impossible.
It looks sticky for him.
Far where I come from, you know. I think it was in November we were in 14.
Yep.
Sergio Roberto go come on for Desakis. Des,
Roberto, you playing at the Classico?
Des never perform well at all. Him get substitute halftime for Roberto. And Roberto come on and make a difference. Him
Wait,
never have
Roberto actually know how to play a Classico.
yeah. Cause him never perform well at all. But that big for him get substitute.
Ball. There. Oh, good! Leo!
Correct.
Leo! Sorry, bro. No, this is brilliant.
This is how slow my own is. Alba just have the ball
That's
to Griezmann to Alba in the box to Messi
Leo.
and that's classic Barcelona. The cutback, classic.
Classic.
Hat trick, can we?
This is how you rip apart a defense. Keeper couldn't even do nut, but
Man, saying feel sorry for the young goalkeeper. Honest star is the Bullfrog because we Peter Mahan. Oh, Bullfrog, I might have to give that a try.
Alright, Roberto is on.
29 goal Messi on? Them say?
For the season.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't follow the stats.
It was on 21 for the league.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, the brother 29.
Hit that, game done. Yeah, man, game done. Messi hat trick we need. 5 in them face we want. Samuel, what were you saying about my side?
I even not made some, brother. I made Man U fan them. I fly to Europa League and ask that.
You know, I want to see them drop out, man. Jeez. Me just have wait for the day them drop out. Clasico, you know.
Yeah, but
They too late.
that's the situation.
And Miss the freeze on the field. Oh boy. I never put on my Barca jersey today, no. Campione and Sevilla. Yo, Dion with the little pullback though. I didn't
Yeah,
even
that's
see
what,
that.
man, brilliant.
You know who has really I've liked seeing on the pitch as well? Mingueza.
Yeah, yeah. I wish Arrow was here too.
I'm in fit.
Yeah, I think so. Him them on the bench, but kind of never plays with it.
But I mean, PK is back. Experience, I guess. To be fair,
I
PK
guess.
hasn't played bad so far. Step up my side, as I say.
Funny enough, Langley actually hadn't played bad either
Yo,
this
don't,
game.
don't, don't, don't talk about that in my area and just decide for give a three penalty. Nice, Alba.
Ah, let's give it a stupid focus. That was PK.
Of course, you blow it. Right, that's alright. Probably stream some Warzone later, I don't know. All depends on when the noise will get back. I like seeing Messi cut the beard for this, you know. I like seeing that. At least we have something for celebrate Barca fans. Uh Boy, Tajay don't message me. Did Discord crash?
No, no, no.
Uh, Tajay, boy, you can have this one. We are come for the
Yeah,
league
yeah,
next. You better don't slip.
that's alright. We get him that one, then let him go.
Messi again. Griezmann with the footwork.
Like, you still have play for you.
You know what it pissed me off too in the classical Dembele. Dembele made the easiest thing them look so difficult.
Yeah, that's typical Dembele.
And then score a
Big
difficult
mistake,
one.
yeah.
Cause the volume score against Villarreal the week before was harder than enough chance in getting a classical.
And the Champions League.
Just have to Liverpool drop out of that so Romario can shut up. Now we're not in this season.
And Liverpool never done of it.
Firm you. Valverde never lost a classic or something like that. But him did I lose some stupid games. Woo!
And yeah,
Need to work on that. Messi, another trophy. What them go to do in Italy?
what goat are you? So, hey, right? Oh, you put everything in a center.
Midfield.
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
So full. I mean, before they were playing with a high. It was a three at the back
Is that three from?
formation.
Yeah, yeah.
Messi, Rubio, Alba.
Oh my God, do that.
I was screaming so much Battlefield.
Yo, man side, you know. Man side, you know. Freeze! That's five.
I love to hear it. I'm waiting to see it, but I love to hear it. When I go wave it in them face, cause them are not like we enemy. But if I did Madrid, we have in
Bro,
them face like what PK did. I miss that Barca give Madrid five of it.
sir.
Woo! Woo! Dance for them, Grizzy. Dance for them. Oh.
No, they're good.
Barca, can we do this all every week?
Oh,
I'm
and this alloy.
yeah, them this fellow it must see it.
I
But
mean,
still, usually Griezmann miss that, I'm not joking. Usually Griezmann run like keeper.
yeah, that's
He
true.
might improve. Of course, VAR take it, but when VAR for work a classical, it not work.
Hey, you know, miss that here, man.
Them Bella, them Booze,
Mm-hmm.
Usman. What's that come on? Oh, Mingueza. Martin. What's that? What's that? Good job, my son. Good job. Second half, I played much better. And that you get, boy. It was a corner kick.
I'm not questioning it. Go on.
I mean, it had
See
to
if you
be.
for crying out loud. Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm outside still.
good job, my son. Man say him done well to get booked cause the second yellow card in the game.
Oof, Jano. Only controller.
Good job, my son. Good job. Braithwaite is a very weird
And that's it.
side big. I still have 30 seconds.
We have a trophy.
4-0 clean sheet trophy. Can still get the double if Madrid mess up and we don't. That's all I'm saying.
It might happen.
That is a
That was a good game.
good second half.
Sorry, yeah, that's a good second.
Good second half. Good job, my side. Still not play how we supposed to, but
Getting there.
more for keep it up. Cause next week we might just play like utter trash.
Let's go up next week. Or the week after. How we done?
Let me check. We have today. We have Hetafe, then Villarreal, then Granada, then Oh no, Valencia, then Atletico,
Wow. Wow.
then Levante. Leo,
Yeah, so I'm a hard on the matches.
yeah, or okay, oh no, this not look nice. We have Valencia, we have Atletico, we have Levante, and then we have Celta. That rough. That rough.
Yeah, it's a bit.
But we're Barca, we can do it.
Yes, indeed.
Hetafe go beat Madrid tomorrow. Believe it. Betis can do a thing. Osasuna, Sevilla can do a thing. Wait, is this the league? Yup. Sevilla, we are depending on you for do a thing in the league, you know, bro.
Did them have Madrid play too?
Oh no, them play Madrid already.
Oh, don't know.
But we're depending on Sevilla. Sevilla they take points from Atletico.
Yeah, so you can take points from Madrid.
Somebody from Barca they call Rakitic and tell him to do the job.
No, an ex-Barcelona player was playing for the side that they beat 1-0.
We have to win a trophy this season, man. We have to win one.
Yeah, well, Messi had to live up a trophy this season. I'm sorry.
Eh,
Porta.
long time I not see that smile.
You know, so anytime we cut him beard,
Yeah, man, that's why I'm gonna cut it.
yeah, man. Titi still play for it?
He might get sold this summer.
Yeah,
And apparently, oh, it's raining. Apparently, Juventus want Usman,
yeah.
and
No.
I'm thinking about it. We need to sell Trincao. Him just a take up space. Wage.
Let me tell you. Dembele. My half an Dembele. See if him can refine him skills, me keep him.
But did they
honestly,
say him all feel like him have a muscle something wrong with him? I'm not sure.
Algia.
I hope that was just a rumor.
No, it's true.
Yeah,
But it's not something if I just sideline him, make him play with it.
yeah.
It's a slight discomfort. But him
Celebrate
get
my
physical.
side. Celebrate.
The goals are beautiful.
Dog, why am I showing my hair on stream? This is a mess. Mm. You know, I should have. This corona mess up everything, bro. But yeah, I think I might end. No, I want to messy lift this trophy first before I end the stream.
Exactly, yeah, man.
I'm gonna do more of these. More
I mean,
watch.
people might say stuff style that is gonna really nice.
Huh?
Ooh, Leo with the MVP.
I mean,
Of course. I said, yeah, we can do more of these, but people are gonna still say the new women I really like,
oh,
especially in Boston.
Messi probably tired to get trophies now.
The man just won team trophies. The man won an individual trophies right now.
I'm still on the Champions League. Copa del Rey.